In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country in Google Adsense and explain what happens to your adverts if you're monetized. This process is essential when you're moving to a different country for a long period or permanently, as it ensures your account settings reflect your new location. It also affects how you receive payments and report taxes. Follow along as we walk through these steps together. First, begin by heading over to the Google Adsense website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account, as this will direct you to your personalized Adsense account page. Once at Google Adsense, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your homepage or Adsense Home. Here you'll see an overview of your account's performance, earnings, and more. Next, move your cursor over to the left-hand panel and locate the Account option. Clicking here will open up more detailed settings specific to your Adsense account, so don't miss this step. Once inside, look for the Settings tab. This is where you can make adjustments to your personal preferences and account information. You might find it helpful to familiarize yourself with these settings. The more you know, the better you can customize your account to suit your needs. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for Account Information. This section contains critical details about your account, including your current listed country. This is what you'll want to change to reflect your new location. Moving countries usually means adapting to a new time zone, which can impact when your account earnings are calculated and displayed. When you click on Account Information, you should see an option for Time Zone. Selecting this will allow you to update your time zone according to your new country. It's worth noting that changing your time zone will not immediately affect your past earnings reports, but it will adjust how future data is displayed. In summary, updating your country and time zone settings in Google Adsense ensures your account is accurate and aligned with your new location, helping you avoid any potential payment delays or discrepancies. Keep in mind that if you're monetized, these changes are crucial as they directly influence payment timing and tax reporting requirements. If you encounter any difficulties or if any part of this process doesn't work as expected, Google's support resources and community forums can be very helpful. I hope this guide helps you easily transition your Google Adsense account to your new country and manage your adverts efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions or comments below.